Guys, this is the next part. Let's continue.
I'm innocent. Yeah, enga kamma.
Sheriff should team up and save us.
Nanda, Sheriff ella vaanga en pakatla. Hey, no, hell no. Mudiyadhu. See, na Sheriff enta gun irukku. Sahib, come with me. See who is the master.
Sorry. Follow me to my.
Hey, someone kill me. Someone dog. You also died, huh? Who is it? This Didi. That's D guy. Yeah. This guy. Nah. Yeah, probably go. Inga.
Look at me.
Now give me to me now. It's the main. I will do it. I will.
Ayada na DD.
ஆமா. நான் Didi கைடா நான் போய் கல் எடுக்கறேன். சார்ஜ்டா. He just came like surprise attack.
That Buga.
He just
You? Hey, DD is near you.
Didi killed me. Who bought intense Mintra?
I.
Buy something else, please. Ice cream. What? Who is the sheriff? Oh, me. Someone take my gun. Yeah, stupid, take my gun. Who's this fat guy? Yellow color. Yellow cap. Brown.
Guys, comment whether I'm false.
Grey jacket, black pants, ID card, and brown face, green hood.
We win.
No.
Lose, madam.
You dancing that they want. Can we play?
Ah.
Okay.
To one more
But
round.
there was
a cat update.
No, I'm not playing 99. I'm also not playing. Shahid, you will have charge now. I don't.
Okay. Now put a
Please. No.
police station. You put now.
Where's the other?
It fell down. Take it and put it.
Violent.
Right, fast. Which one? That one or this? It's charging now. Guys, let's see.
Please move.
What are you, Maya?
Me too. I think Mahdi is.
Show me, Raj. Mahdi, where are you, darling?
I have better.
Ayada hates murderer. And
I am.
Ayaz Anna.
Bro! I know who is it.
Who's it?
This guy is the murderer.
Say the name.
Lanto D5. Lanto D5 is the murderer.
You see whether he's near me.
No, he's not.
Where is he?
Oh my god. He just killed me.
Why? I also got killed. He got killed.
No, give me. Lanto is the murderer.
Yeah, guys. So this video is over after one more match.
Yeah.
I have recorded like 15 videos today, but I need to upload.
நான் பாத்துறீங்க ஸ்பீக் டு மீ ஃபாலோ பண்றானா சொல்லு என் பக்கத்துல உங்க பக்கத்துல இருங்க அவங்க பக்கத்துல வரல அவங்க இருக்காரு
Yeah, behind you. He threw the knife. Killed you. Guys, I'm watching her cartoon. Let me put it in full sound. My brother is watching. I'm ready to take it back to 0. Murderer won.
The stupid murder. That's 6-7 murder. Yeah.
Hey, guys, comment brain rotted Ayaz.
No, don't comment. Comment and subscribe to my Shahid.
Also, what? You are stupid.
Guys, so who's the real stupid here? A 5-year-old. Naya.
Guys, I'm 10 years old.
5-year-old who thinks he's a big YouTuber.
Guys, I'm a 10-year-old.
No. Guys, he's capping himself. Hey!
Guys, I'm a 10-year-old.
He's not 5-year-old. He's a little older. He's 6-year-old.
Guys, I'm 10-year-old.
No.
You are innocent. Mahadi?
Me too innocent. Me too. What are you? In this case, murder.
Innocent.
that's me. Wait, நான் உங்க பின்னாடி வெயிட் பண்ணானே. எனக்கு வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இது
Speak in English.
வாங்க. Come here. I have an idea. I think this girl is the murderer. No, that's me. Oh. That's Mahadi. Wait, for me. I'm coming too. I found a murderer. Who's the murderer? Nobody. Hey, yo. Don't.
Guys, I just came to the place. I just came.
Casey, let me go up. Help me go up. Wait a minute. Someone. In my head. Now you also jump. We can't see you. Come this side.
What do you think the name is, sir?
No, you can't do that.
You both people stuck.
Okay.
Come go up there now.
We can only do it here. Only do it in the foam.
Or else let's go there. Jump. Ayan. No, we can't. I think we are safe here. Yeah.
My,
I think somebody's not. Hey,
I am safe.
That guy's the murderer.
who is that?
Lily Lovely. The girl. K-pop dancer.
Hey, somebody. Nah, this guy.
Oh my God.
Nah. The K-pop demon hunter guy. இல்ல அவனுடைய அன்சென்ட் தான் இருக்கு. அவன வந்து இல்ல யாரு?
It's Emily.
I saw him.